Hello everyone, I803866SX, and today you are staring at a Rosewill 8-port Ethernet switch. I sold these things in my early foolish days, and this one got blewed up by a storm. I tried a second power brick that I believe worked, and no dice. So let's see what a ball of lightning will do to a Rosewill switch. This thing was actually replaced with an Aruba switch. So we went from a Kia, if you will, all the way to a Lexus. I'm going to try and unscrew this with one hand and hope it just comes right apart. This seemed to work pretty well last time. Almost have it. All right, that's out. And if you wondered what the inside of a Rosewill switch looked like, here you go. Looks okay from the top side. Doesn't look like there's any blown caps. There doesn't look like there's any significant damage. A lot of dust. But I think this thing's been around forever. And, welp. That definitely looks like it blew up. Yeah, this thing definitely got a ball of lightning after it. How the other network devices on this network did not get zapped is beyond me, but I think, without a doubt, this thing is toast. It looks like it's so toast that it even lifted up some of this. Well, maybe not, but either way, this thing is blacked. Magic smoke. Ooh, that's not very good. And I think it's like these ML1162 chips blown up. These two ports are blackened. So this thing definitely gave out the magic smoke and sacrificed its life to save a Mac Pro. And oh, there's a Realtek chip on there, so that's kind of nice to see what the inside of these look like. So that's it. We tore apart a Rosewill switch. I'm glad that they're out of business. I'm glad this thing lasted, but it was time to upgrade anyway. Mother Nature stepped in and said enough was enough. Stop using crap. So I guess you could call that another proper way to handle Rosewill networking equipment. Let Mother Nature do it. Have a nice day.